Adding several positive and negative sign numbers. When adding several positive and negative sign numbers, find the sum of the positive and negative numbers separately, then find the difference between the two numbers and use the sign of the larger number in the answer. Okay, example, we're going to add positive 3, negative 8, positive 7, negative 3, negative 4, positive 5, and negative 12. Well, what we've done, we've separated the numbers into our positive and negative column. Now let's see what our numbers tally up to be in our positive column. We have 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15. We're looking at a positive 15. Okay, our negative column, we have 8, 11, 15, 17. The 7, carry the 1, 27. So we're looking at a positive 15 and a negative 27. Again, using our rule, we're going to find the difference of the two numbers, not be concerned right now with our sign, and our solution will take the sign of the larger number. So we know in this case, our solution will be negative because we have a positive 15 and a negative 27. Our solution will be negative. So let us do that. 27, 15, and we have a 2 and a 1, 12. Our solution will take the sign of the larger number, so our solution is going to be negative 12.
I like to demonstrate adding several signed numbers that are both positive and negative. And we have a problem here, temperature changes. Monday's high was plus 40 degrees. Monday's drop in temperature was minus 60 degrees. Tuesday's rise in temperature was plus 50 degrees. Tuesday's drop in temperature, minus 65 degrees. And Wednesday's rise in temperature, plus 45 degrees. And the question is, what is Wednesday's temperature when you started on Monday's high at plus 40 degrees? Before we do the work on the board, let's look at the thermometer. Monday's high is plus 40 degrees, so we're going to start at plus 40. All right, now we have a drop of 60 degrees, so it's minus 60. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So Monday in the evening, it went down to minus 20. Now Tuesday's rise in temperature is plus 50. So we go up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's 30 degrees, just below freezing. Now Tuesday's drop in temperature is minus 65 degrees. That's cold. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 5, so there'll be minus 35 degrees. Wednesday's rise in temperature was 45 degrees. And that's what our question is. What is Wednesday's temperature? So now we're going to go up 45 degrees. So we'll do the 5 first. 5, all right? Then that's 15, 25, 35, 45. So the answer is 10 degrees. So the temperature on Wednesday, it went to 10 degrees. Well, let's do this as is shown in the book of adding these several positive and signed numbers. First of all, we'll take all the positives together. So it's plus 40 and plus 50 and plus 45. Add them together, that's 5. And that's plus 135. Let's do the negatives together. Let's add them. That's minus 60 and minus 65. And that's 5. And that's 12. It's minus 125. So now we got to combine these two. It's plus 135 and minus 125. And we're adding them. We find the difference, which is 10. The sign, which is of the larger number, which is the positive, is plus 10. So the answer is that we have right over here, 10 degrees. We did it on this temperature gauge. Now we did it mathematically. And as you can see, we get the same answer.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.